Hey everyone, in my current video I want to talk about this boltune Bluetooth adapter which can pretty much convert any non-Bluetooth speakers or TV into a Bluetooth mode, where you can take a smart TV that does not come with a Bluetooth connection to be able to connect Bluetooth wirelessly to a headset or a smart speakers. Or if you have a phone and a dumb speaker which does not have any Bluetooth, you can convert them to actually smart speakers or like Bluetooth enabled, where you can play songs from your phone. Or if your TV has a connection and your speakers are like old big ones, like in the traditional homes, you can use this to convert to a Bluetooth enabled connection basically. So basically this is like a Bluetooth adapter. What this does is this can work in both transmitter and receiver mode. Transmitter mode is basically where it operates as transmitting to be able to work for something that's receiving, something like that's like a speaker or a headphone that can be paired easily. There is also this it acts as a receiving mode where it only receives, like basically you are playing something from a phone but you want it to be played on a speaker, and the speaker is like the traditional speaker which needs power, and it just plugged into the wall far away and you just need enough range to connect to it. So this is what you would really need. It comes in a small box. The contents of it are pretty straightforward. You get USB to micro USB port. Okay, let me remove this. So basically this is like a beast in a small package. That is what I would like to tell you, because the range is incredibly good, and it carries a Bluetooth 5.0. What that means is that the connection is very reliable and very fast. So you can see there is two antennas on the back, and you can see there is two aux ports, basically one for a receiver, one as a transmitter. So the TX means you're doing it as a transmitter, receiving is for the RX output. There is also like a bypass, you can do just a TX RX here to make it easier for you as well. You can even add an optical cable between your receiver or transmitter device and your the Bluetooth adapter. It powers in by basically a DC micro USB. Let's look at the front. So sorry about the fingerprints, I've been using it for some time now. It works really well, guys. Let me plug it in, and it instantaneously powers it. Okay, they also give aux cable, basically aux to aux. So basically if your device supports aux, or if you have like two speakers, right, basically there's a left and a right. Like if you have a 5.1 channel, you will have a left and a right, and then everything right. Then you can take it one of that and connect it to the both the left and the right audio. Basically this is an extender to convert from a single port to a multi-port for right and left. You also have other connectors. You have this the small connector type as well to connect it. So let me put this aside. This is very straightforward. It's a female, so you just plug it in there and then it works really well, and you can plug into the aux port. So you can see that I have just turned it on, like I just plugged it in, and it's already in like receiving mode. So look at that. I plug it in and it's already blinking solid. The reason is because I already tried. So I have a speaker I use with this device. So basically let me show you that. So you can see that the boltune is already connected. Look how fast and reliable the connection is. Let's see. So this is boltune connected. Let's just zoom into the boltune back. So that's probably better. I disconnected it. Boltune not connected. I'm connecting it back, and boltune is connected. That's how fast and reliable the connection is. as soon as you like plug it in and it's connected to what it knows, it basically becomes solid. It's very lightweight and compact. It can be used anywhere. The range is excellent. I repeat, the range is really excellent. Any device you are going to use it like a big home, it's going to do a wonderful job. And the Bluetooth 5.0 connects makes the connection instantaneous. They also come with a manual for you to do different modes. If you are like a techie like me, or there are some basic functions where you can basically change between the TX and the RX mode. I mostly am using it for the RX mode right now. I also tried the TX mode once where I connected my headphones, like Bluetooth headphones with my TV. My TV is not a smart, like my TV is smart TV, but a non-Bluetooth enabled TV. So it works absolutely great. So guys, if you really want to like get something like a small device, but that does enormous amount of work, that gonna make your life very simple, go for this. Get the Bluetooth adapter. You can convert your any non-Bluetooth device to this, to like be it in transmitter mode or receiver mode. So if you buy one of this can work for your TV to your Bluetooth headset. It can work from your phone to your speakers, or it can work even from your TV to your speakers as well. So there's multiple functions with this. With it's such a great product. I was thinking that like no, not all devices have Bluetooth, so somebody might come up with this, and luckily I found this on Amazon. It's a great buy if your guys are considering to convert something into like a Bluetooth enabled thing, because everybody has a device which is Bluetooth enabled, and usually it's easier to for you to like work with Bluetooth there, so you can have long range to play music or watch some movies over and have a good audio quality over this one. And one more thing I want to mention is that there's the latency is very good, meaning that there is no much latency. So like if you're watching a movie and playing it over the speaker, you're not going to hear like there is no like a dissync between your video and audio. The synchronization is so good that you don't feel that it is being a third party adapter is being used to play that. It literally feels like all of them are connected in like a wire, and there is no drop in those signal or the audio, where you don't feel any disconnect. So for that, it's a great heads up, a great product. The product name is Boltune. So if you guys are considering to get one, get this. Definitely recommend it.